Okay, here's a short video of the install of my Viking 90 on my Sonex. Very satisfied so far with the install. Viking provides the motor mount and most everything you need for the installation. All the hoses. Of course, you have to fabricate your install. One of those things was actually the radiator. Big radiator, nice cooling factor with that. And you can see it just fits, but it does fit. Up here I got battery box, holds 2 batteries, 2 contactors. Use one for backup, 2 for takeoff, 2 for landing. You control them both through the contactors. And underneath here, you can see the brackets holding the radiator. Made them as light as possible. I'm sure they could probably be lighter. Dual fuel pumps being fed from a mini tank, also provided by Viking. All the high pressure fuel outside the airplane, feeding the engine up through a filter, a line running here, and then it comes out and around to the rail. And that's it so far.